We'll see how to enter results on the new RICS website. In order to enter results for any particular sample on the new RICS website, you must first go to the result entry page. To go to the result entry page, take your cursor all the way to the right onto this pencil icon and click on result entry. As soon as we enter the result entry page, we will select the program that we want to enter the results for. We will select the cycle that we want to enter the results for, and then we will enter the sample number. We will choose the sample number that we want to enter the results for. Once we have chosen the program, the cycle, and the sample number, you will see the instrument analyte, the unit, the result, the non-return page, and the non-return comment appear on your screen. Now, in order to enter results for any of your samples, simply click on the Enter Result column. For example, here on my instrument for alkaline phosphatase, I will now enter a result. As I enter that result, you will see that there is a yellow line that appears below that result. That means that this result has been entered, but it has not been submitted yet. It has not been saved yet. I can also enter less than and greater than results. And I can also not enter a result if there is a problem with my instrument or if there is any other problem with that particular assay in the lab. So if I don't choose to enter a result, I can select a reason for not entering that result. To select that reason, we'll go to the non-return column. And then, for example, here for chloride, I want to maybe enter non-return reason. So let's say the reason was sample issues. So maybe let's say there was an issue with the reconstitution of the sample. Now I can choose this as the non-return reason, and I can also add a comment to explain the reason further. So to add a non-return comment, simply click on the non-return comment icon right next to the non-return column for your assay, for chloride in this case. So we'll click on the non-return comment page, comment icon, and then we can enter a larger comment. So let's say it was reconstitution issues. So I'll just enter that comment. I can enter as long or as short a comment as I want to. Once I've entered the comment, I'll save it. And as you can see, the comment will appear right next to the non-return reason. This enables labs to have full traceability on any past samples that they have not entered results for. And all of this traceability will be saved on the RICS website. Once I've entered the results for all of my given tests, I can simply save those results. In order to save the result, we'll go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on the save icon. You will see as I save the results, the yellow line under any particular result disappears, and you will see a green box appear on that result. This then means the result has been saved. A user can choose to save results as many times as they want until the sample's deadline. After the sample's deadline, the result will be automatically submitted to the RICS department for review. Now, for example, let's say I wanted to change the result for alkaline phosphatase. Let's say there was a transcription error. The result was not supposed to be 2.3. It was actually supposed to be 23. So I can change the result. You'll see that a yellow line appears. Click Save again. You can see now that that result has been changed from 2.3 to 23. If I want to see how many times this result has changed, I can simply click on the down arrow right here, and I will have full traceability on how many times the result was changed and who changed it, who updated the result. I can also enter results by instrument by going at the top and selecting the instrument filter and selecting the particular instrument that I want to enter the results for. I can choose that particular instrument and then continue to enter the results for that instrument to make it easier for any user to enter the result for their instrument. Once I'm done entering all of the results, I can then again simply click on save. And then, of course, you will see the result being saved and also submitted to the RICS department. Just another reminder again, you can change your results as many times as you want until the sample deadline. After the sample deadline has passed, these results will automatically be submitted to the RICS department. Thank you so much for listening.